parcel. Actually, I'm very excited about this UPS parcel because I've been waited for quite a while for it to arrive. Excited to share with you guys. And oh yeah, pull here. Okay, pull here. Okay. Ta -ta 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 -ta. I made my own music at the background. Okay, very nice. I would want to believe that it's a very nice. It's a Plaque actually. Okay, and this Plaque is from the Mdrt, which is the $1 million round table. So as you know, I achieved Mdrt last year in Great Eastern, and then I decided to make this Plaque. And look, it's a very oh, we have a love letter. So let's see. Mdrt Plaque has a 3 years limited warranty from the date received. It's used indoor in a climate change environment. Oh, so it's have instructions. Isn't it beautiful?好漂亮啊，爱心。I think in life, right, we only have 3 main things that we are really concerned of: is relationship, health, and wealth, right? And being a life consultant now, and you know, with all my background for coaching and training, really, I think this is a very good testimony of, you know, the hard work that is being put in. I value. So if you are thinking about your insurance stuff, or you want to have a different perspective, yeah, call me, drop me a call. Bye.